Thanks for coming to Smart Electronics. Today we're going to give you a general overview of how to sell on our website. We're also going to go through a few of the tabs and give you an example of some of the functions and features. Here we have the dashboard. This is where you can basically make all your products. You can kind of get an overview of what you have going on with your store. Um, you have the commissions, and that's what's being paid to you each time that you sell a product. You'll be receiving the 96% of commission. Smart Electronics takes a 4% fee for each sale. So you will be receiving the majority of each and every one of your sales. Also, we have the recent orders and the recent products down here. Recent orders will show all your recent orders, and the recent products will show the products that you've added recently. Product totals and order totals, going back to that, that's where you can see all of the order totals for a certain date range and all the product totals for a certain date range. So since we haven't sold anything, we don't have anything there. Okay. There are two ways to add a product. You can either click the add a product link right here, or you can go to your products page and add a product that way. So since we're on the dashboard, let's go ahead and hit add product. Okay, that brings up the add product page. And this is just where you can enter the key information about your item that you'll be listing on the site. Let's go ahead and go through this so you can get an example. So the product name, let's go through, let's call this test product. And the product description, it's usually the long description of the product. Like if it has a whole bunch of features, you would list them all here, talk about it a little bit. But for time's sake, I'm going to go ahead and enter something short. And the short description, that's just a small description of a few key features for the product. Just keep that short and sweet. Tags are unique identifiers you can make for your product. Let's say you're selling some electronics, you can tag it as an electronic, um, and just things of that nature. You can kind of make up your own tags if you wish. And the featured image, that'll be the image that everybody sees when they're searching for your item. It'll be the first image and the main image of your product. So you can set that featured image. You hit select files and you can pick a file from anywhere on your computer. And that way you can get the proper image uploaded for your products. So let's see if we have any actually already on here. Okay, we do. So let's go ahead and just make it a picture of the phone. Okay, add product gallery images. That's where you can add a whole bunch of images for your product if you have multiple angles and things of that nature. And it's the same scenario as far as uploading them. Okay, now that we're down to product type, the only one you really need to be using would be simple product. We kind of cover everything with that. You can also sell virtual products and downloadable products. Let's say you're selling some type of downloadable software, so you can even sell software on our site, which is a definite upside. You can also sell virtual items as well. So make sure you always enter a regular price. Let's call this $54.99. A sale price is not necessary, but you can enter one. And if you see over here in this right corner, you can also schedule a sale. If you hit schedule, you can change the date, and that's when the sale will actually pop up on the website. Otherwise, it won't show, so you'll be selling things for regular price. We don't want to put anything on sale right now, so let's just cancel that. You can also set it so if the item is taxable or not. That's basically up to you. Um, we prefer to get tax on our products, but again, that's up to you as a seller. Okay, so there's two things you can do after you've got all your information in. You can come down here. You can save the draft, which doesn't publish your product on our page. It just puts it in the back end, and whenever you're ready, you can go back into the product and hit this button, Add Product, which will make it live, and that way you can actually start selling. So let's go ahead and hit Add Product so you can get an example of how this works. So we hit Add Product. Okay, and that gets our product added to the website. Let's view the product. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And here we are. This is where you can actually view any products you're selling. And here you have your seller information. As you can see, this is just a general image that I uploaded for our seller store picture. You can upload something a lot better, so it will look better right here. But yeah, you got reviews, product ratings, which buyers can actually submit ratings for your products, and that way you can kind of get more and more customers based off having good ratings. Okay, so now that you've seen that products page, if you want to head on over to our next video, I'll give you some more information about the orders and settings pages in the store.